in a couple of years, actually, and they've got all the Pixar Fest stuff going on this summer. And the new Pixar Pier that they just opened with the Incredicoaster. Really excited to check out that. Check out a ride I've never ridden before. The Monsters Incorporated ride. Mike and Sully to the rescue. It's never been something I've even walked by before. So I'm excited to check it out. There's some blorts.
Arms, feet, legs, tentacles, and
there's a jeweler cooler right there.
And be sure to supervise your little monsters. Thank you.
Happy birthday, Smokesy Poo!
Oh, googly bear!
Oh, Boo, we gotta get you home.
There's a kid here, a human kid!
My birthday! I thought you cared about me!
Celia, trying to understand.
Come on, this way.
Spread out and lock it down.
It's been the most terrifying day of my life.
Bye, Vanessa!
But I love you, kiddo.
Good night, Boo.
Kitty!
Kitty's gotta go now.
We're walking through a Bug's Life right now, and all of this stuff is going away because they are tearing it all down to make room for Marvel stuff. And obviously I'm more excited about the Marvel stuff than I am about the Bug stuff. But, you know, hopefully they'll still have a churro stand. The choo-choo train, well, it's got sprinkles on it, so how bad can it be?
Come on, everybody, here we go. Oh, now that's a good flavor. That's yummy. Oh my goodness, this is such a sweet and juicy watermelon. But it's not as empty as my stomach. Here I come, little animal crackers. Come after everyone. I just love sweets and sweets. They are my favorite things to eat.
So that was the thing that happened.
One more step, please, everybody.
Oh snap, look at the signs up for Pixar Pier. And there it is, off in the distance. But first up, let's check out Cars Land. There's a line to take pictures of Woody and Buzz Lightyear done in the Cars style. But look how cool those guys look. In the theme of trying out new stuff, why don't we check out Tow Mater Junkyard Jamboree. That sign is pretty funny. The Apollo 13 rescue mission. Check out Pixar Pier. Last time we were here, it was Paradise Pier. I'll actually put a link to the video when we were here for Paradise Pier. We had a blast. There's the Incredicoaster. I don't think we're going to be able to get on it today because, like I said, we're only here for a few hours, and unfortunately, all the fast passes are gone, so we'd have to wait like 75 minutes to ride it. Welcome to Jurassic Pier. The Lamplight Lounge is like supposedly this really cool restaurant that has a bunch of concept art and stuff inside of it. Here's a look at some of the menu. You can pause it, take a look. This entire store is full of awesome Pixar stuff. Look around. Monsters University, Mike Wazowski, Sully, all sorts of cool stuff. Buzz Lightyear. Over here you've got some more Pixar Fest themed stuff like this cool bag. And some art from Coco. That's a cool hat. And that's a cool bag. And that's kind of creepy looking. Now don't get me wrong, I like the Wilderness Explorer's hat, but it would be even cooler if it was Junior Woodchuck's. And look at Doug over here. Squirrel. I love the callback to the old Pixar short in the name of that store, Knickknacks. So what's funny, at the adorable snowman frosted treats, if you look, like the whole theme of the menu is like yellow ice creams and snow cones. It's lemon. It's kind of funny, guys. But wow, look at the line for some ice cream. Zoinks. The adventure is down there. Wow, look at the retheming for the Incredicoaster. You've got the incredible symbol over there. They really did a lot down here. Same basic structure and ride, obviously, but they have like animatronics and all sorts of cool stuff themed to the Incredibles throughout the queue and ride.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go!
Look at this cool archway leading into the Incredicoaster. So it's kind of like this whole Incredibles layout here. You've got the Incredicoaster. Back here it looks like you've got some Jack Jack's cookie num nums. And over here you have Mr. Incredible himself meeting people. And maybe back there some incredible bathrooms. A new ride coming next year, Jesse's Critter Carousel. Pretty cool. Over here, Toy Story Midway Mania, that was already here. Another merchandise store right there. And what is Star Command Space Ranger Adventure Meal? Color me interested. What's in here? Chicken drumstick box, corn on the cob, turkey legs, and chips. Oh, I stepped back a minute, and this is Poultry Palace. That's why it has the chicken drumstick meal. And there's a pretty big crowd over here for the man himself, Mr. Buzz Lightyear, walking away. Because he's done meeting people, done kissing the babies, done shaking the hands. He's got to go stop Emperor Zurg. Or does he need to go make some churros? I can't pass by a place called Angry Dogs and not get myself a hot dog. I mean, look at him. Grr, buy a hot dog, you jerk. So here they have spicy all-beef hot dogs with a small bag of hot fries. And a slightly annoyed dog with a small bag of chips. The small bag of hot fries are Chester Cheetos Hot Cheetos. I feel like I've made a grave mistake here. I'm not gonna lie, surprisingly decent looking hot dog. So the Angry Dog has a little kick to it, not too much. Actually, I kind of dig it. It's not too bad. Kyle doesn't like it, but I like it. How awesome is the Sully popcorn bucket? It's 20 bucks, and I'm not gonna do it. I'm walking away. Not gonna do it. Bing Bong's Sweet Stuff. It's a candy store, and there's some like plushies and stuff. And look, here's Bing Bong himself. I love how literally everything is Pixar themed. Even the little jelly candies, the little popcorn bags. Of course, I love the grape soda shirt. And look at these hats. So much cuteness. The grape soda is a lot of fun though. And the Doug. Squirrel. Oops. Let me not break stuff. Look at this 8-bit hat. That's pretty sweet looking.